So I want to cover a song today. It's called The River, Mother Nature and Me. It's by Jenny Lester, and she is a musician from, I think she lives in Nanuce on Vancouver Island. We play this song in a couple of groups I'm in, and it's a really pretty song, and it's really nice when you get a lot of people singing and singing harmony to it. And so it's a pretty popular tune. And so I went looking here on YouTube to see if there was any sort of arrangements for banjo, specifically clawhammer banjo, and I couldn't find anything. So I just sort of noodled out the tune myself, and I thought I would share it because it sounds pretty good, I think. And I do it clawhammer style, and I play it in double C. And it all hovers around the C chord, F chord, G chord, and A minor. So in double C it's super easy to fret, not very complicated chords there. And then I'll play it along with the actual song. I put my headphones on and I play it so that I'm in time. Sometimes I get going a little too fast, and anyway, so I'll play it along with my headphones, and I'll also do it so you can kind of get a look at what my hands are doing, and you can pretty much copy it. It's not, I don't think it's terribly complicated. So I'll go through it one more time, super slow. And I'm fretting right here. I'm fretting the 5th and the 7th frets. Then I slide it down. So I go down, step, And then I put my pinky on there for the last. Because it matches up, you always hear the violin at the end of the line. Then you can hear the mandolin in her song too, doing that same little sound, and it sounds nice in there. And that's about it, really. Just drop thumbing on there, as you can tell. And that's mainly what I wanted to show, was just this slide and down here. And that's about it. It's a really great song. Listen to her on Spotify and get the tune in your head. It's a really great tune. Jenny Lester, The River, Mother Nature, and Me. Thank you for watching.